Olá! Hoje vamos aprender preposições de movimento. Prepositions of movement are to, through, by, from, and on. Today we will focus on to. There are two prepositions for to, a and para. A is used for short stays and para for longer or permanent stays. Eu vou a casa means you are going home for a short period of time. Eu vou para casa means you're going home and not going out soon. Eu vou a casa almoçar rapidamente. I'm going home to have lunch quickly. Eu vou para casa descansar. I'm going home to rest. Remember that the pronoun a contracts with the definite articles. Ao, a, aos, às. In English, to the. Eu vou ao parque. Eu vou à praia. Eu fui às compras. The pronoun para does not contract with the definite articles. Eu fui para a escola. Eu fui para o trabalho. Eu vou para Paris. Vamos praticar? Follow us on Facebook. Visit our Patreon page. Learn European Portuguese online.